Hello, KCL family. This is Reginald Kuakaru. How do you know that you've begun on the spiritual path? Answer: you're living life. As a Christian, we were taught that being spiritual was different than living life. We had to negotiate two worlds. In Kemetic spirituality, our physical world arises from the metaphysical world or spiritual world. All is the same stuff, just a different frequency. There's no difference between being spiritual and living your life in Kemetic-centered living. This is where the idea of sin becomes a detriment to your conscious evolution. As a Christian, you try to avoid certain aspects and experiences within life. This causes you to miss lessons meant for you to learn and gain wisdom. I'm going to say this in religious terms, but understand sin is not something that's a part of Kemetic-centered living. The experience you feel is a sin may be the catalyst to teach you wisdom about some aspect of your journey. As far as spiritual and physical being separate, in ancient Kemet, they taught everything in your physical and material life is a symbol of something spiritual or metaphysical. They would say something like, the body is as spiritual as the soul, and the soul as natural as the body. There is no separation. People often ask me, how can I know that I'm on a spiritual path? It's really simple. You are always on a spiritual path. It's a matter of you being aware of how you can walk it from an elevated consciousness. You're a spiritual being having a human experience. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously elevated and vibrationally uplifted by this.